Hey guys, Diamond King here, and I am at Zip City for my birthday party. Let's do this. My friend Noah is here, and Ghost Roller is here. If you don't know who Ghost Roller is, he's in tons of my previous videos.
I know.
He's in tons of my previous videos and tons of others. This, guys, this. Trampolines.
Is that still the ice skating?
Yeah. Oh, guys, should we jump on the trampoline? Let's go on this one first.
That's what I just said. Let's get on this one.
Shoes and
Guys, shoes.
have fun. Dad, you get told to lose the camera, then come give it to me.
All right, Dad.
No.
Record us. I guess I'll set it up.
Here, I'll go first person.
You go first person, and no.
All right, I'm going first person here. Whoa! No, I'm gonna get it. That is fun. Ow, my head. No way. Alright. Aiden just hit me in the head with a ball. So I'm gonna get revenge on him. Oh, you don't wanna? Oh, I missed. Ow. I can't. I blocked yours, Noah. It's a slide. Got you. All right, I'll try the slide. Here, let me try this one. Whee! Attack Nono! Got him! Ow! Ow! Oh, whoopsies. Alright guys, if you like this video, watch that
Listen, did you hear me? Okay,
in the
stay
face
together.
and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down in the section below. Bye bye.
Bye, see you next video.
Bye. Peace.